Hello friend, I am Dr. Bharat Bahre, working as Senior Consultant and Associate Director, Department of Orthopaedics in Aakash Healthcare. Today we are going to talk about knee arthroscopy. Arthroscopy has become a specialized branch of orthopedics. In knee arthroscopy, we treat knee problems in a minimal invasive way. In present scenario, lot of patient comes with knee ligament injuries, especially after sports related injury and road traffic accident. Nowadays, we treat these kind of problem with knee arthroscopy, which leads to faster recovery, minimal post-operative pain. In knee arthroscopy, we usually make small 2-3 holes by which we do whole procedure. If anyone has any query related to knee arthroscopy, they can coordinate with our coordinator. Thank you very much.